Hi everyone, welcome back. So I just got a package delivered for me at the door, so I just wanted to record this video before I get into playing with all of the stuff. So first off, I have the My Monthly Hero Premium Kit. We will get into this, and then I have the rest of the release in my hand here. So let's start with this kit. So first off, it comes with this mesh bag with a zipper. Really nice. So here is the content in the kit. So I believe I have everything except the 4 tags fancy dice. So there you go, we have the white premium ink. It comes nicely packaged like this, so if something happened during shipping, I mean this flew all the way from the US to Sweden, and it comes like this, super cute packaged and perfect, ready to be used. Love these. I have the full ink pad on my desk here, and this stuff is really good for techniques. You get some rustic twine, so that is nice. You get the coordinating dies, and then you get the flowers here and this large clear stamp. This is a 6x8 stamp set, and you have all of the beautiful sentiments. And except the 4 tag dies, I can also see that I am missing the dies for all of the sentiments here, but that will also be included in your kit. And then we have some white cardstock panels, and these are 6 sheets of premium white cardstock, and it's really nice weight, so perfect for stamping. Can't wait to use this. I usually use Nina cardstock for my stamping, and I haven't tried this cardstock, so I'm excited to do so. And here is the content of the premium kit. Sorry about the sound. So sorry. Okay, done. So we have white embossing powder. So this is a small jar. It's usually when you buy like Hero Arts white embossing powder, it's 1 oz of embossing powder. This is a half that size. But I mean, this is a really good size of embossing powder, and as you know, with embossing powder, this will go a long way. You could probably use this jar for a couple of years before it goes out. So that is. So, and then we have some ephemera. These are really beautiful. Let's just pick them out, and you can see some of them. These are a nice size if you're doing layouts. I believe it's 2 of each. You have some words, peace, love, feathers. Yeah, a whole bunch of things here. These banners. And yeah, really nice. You get that. And you get 2 word dice. That's my favorite. I really love word dice. So Imagine and Peace, and that is really nice. Imagine and Peace, yeah. And we have our... Yes, I'm being interrupted by my kids all the time here in this video, but I'm trying to like get through so I can create with this. But you see these beautiful stamps. You make my world brighter, let your light shine, come and go, clouds, and you have that little cute one. So that is a nice set. And then we have this beautiful sunray stencil, and yeah, it's really adorable. And I've seen so many beautiful cards from the design team, and I can't wait to play with this. Really nice. So let's go into this pile. Let's start off by this 3x4 clear stamp called Sending Peace, and it has the beautiful sentiments: wishing you peace on earth, be with you, sending and hope, love and joy. So you can combine all of these, and you have your little beautiful a bird here with an olive branch. It's a dove with an olive branch, I believe, and a peace sign. Really cute, and it goes nicely with this set. That is a stencil. It's a 6x6 stencil, and it's called Peace Daisy stencil, and you can see the peace signs inside of this stencil. And I can't wait to play with this, maybe do this in like a rainbow pattern and then having this as a sentiment on top. Another idea that I had was this really nice stamp set, Peace, Love and Hope, sending love. Love is all you need, peace, sending hope and hugs, spread love, kindness. And you can see you have your dies here. So I believe the hearts goes for the solid ones, the larger hearts, and the large like sentiment. Maybe this also will go with this one. Let me check. Are these the same size? No, they're not. You can see these are quite smaller. So these would be a great fit inside of that sun ray, but these are a little bit bigger. But this sentiment, I probably couldn't cut out both sending and spread love, or whatever you're pairing it with, and kindness have its own separate die, so you can see it goes down for the sentiment there. Really nice. And then we have this beautiful stamp set called, what is it called? Cosmos and Lavender's Bundle. And yeah, really beautiful. I will do it like this, since the dies are in the back. The sentiments are to die for. I really love them. Always be you. Healing takes time, and good things are coming. Thank you, you matter. I'm here for you. Have a good day. And you have some filler images that is perfect for building a background or just filling out your flower clusters. And there is also coordinating dies, and all of the smaller elements looks like they also are having coordinating dies as well as the sentiments. Just love that. And with Hero Arts, if you're interested in getting the dies, you have to do it in the bundle like this, so you can't purchase them separately later. So I will go ahead and get them at the same time. Here is a really nice fancy die. This one is called Dove and Olive Branch Fancy Die. So this will cut out all of these details, and I can't wait to share it with you because I think that will be stunning. And we have this one. You probably see images of it all around the internet. It's just this beautiful peacock, and it's called Peacock Cover Plate, and it's just to die for. I can't wait to create some mixed media backgrounds and maybe having this layered over in white or black. I think that would be stunning. And this is another fancy die. It's this opening that it cuts out, and you can see the inlay pieces that you can create. And it's called Groovy Window Fancy Die. Beautiful die. Perfect for techniques as well. And then we have a bold print. And this has, let me check, Word of Peace bold prints. So I believe this is words of peace in different languages. And I just think that is a stunning idea. And yeah, I'm just checking if I can see the word fred, because that is peace in Swedish. And I'm checking, but I can't seem to find it. No, I can't. But if I will find it, I will point it out later here. It's really a nice one anyway. And I'll just love the texture of this. It's perfect also for techniques and having just in the background. So I hope you enjoyed this piece of footage, just getting an overview of the latest product from Hero Arts. As I said, I will be back with a card project in this video, so stay tuned for that. Bye! So thank you so much for sticking by this long in this video, and I promise I will speed this up a lot and we will just create one card. And I think it's the one you will really like. I talked in the beginning about how I wanted to combine some of the products with a piece stencil and the piece sentiment set. And that is exactly what I did for this part of the video. I created a card in a rainbow color here. I'm using inks from Hero, and I'm using a variety of blending brushes that I had in my stash. You can see the white one, these are from Hero Arts, the other ones are from Picket Fence, so I used exactly what I had in my stash and just went around. And you can also see here that I switch from my blending brushes to my mini pouncers, and yeah, they are super cute, and you can see this was in real time. Now I will speed this up a lot and you can see how quick this will go. I didn't have the perfect purple one. I know there is beautiful purple colors from Hero, I just don't have it in my stash, so I created my own version of purple with just blending pinks and blues, and you can see up in the corner how that turned out. Sorry, I'm a little bit off camera here, but the idea is that I'm just going around inking this up, and to create my perfect orange I went with a red and pink color over the yellow parts, and you can see the orange color that is coming through. And I just peeked under the stencil to see if all of the piece signs were fully visible. In some parts I went in a little bit heavier just so you really can see those signs. After that I will clean off, and I'm sorry that you had to spend the time watching me clean, but now the panel is done, and you can see I splattered it off camera and also die cut the piece out of some gold, and that comes in the kit. This white pigment ink also comes, and this is a trick that I really like. I like using white pigment ink when I am doing my white embossing, because then if there is some spots where the embossing powder don't like perfectly attached, the white will show through. So I think that is like magic. I cut the piece out of some gold and white cardstock a couple of times and then just raised it up. I also off camera cut out the beautiful fancy die called Dove and Olive Branch, and you can see all the texture that you get with those wings and everything. The branch I just colored in a Copic marker color called Olive. So I just thought that was fitting, and then we can see our card comes together here. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will be having links down below for Hero Arts website where you can find all of the products that I used in today's video. So until next time, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!